Hey Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode, we got this cool umbrella here, and basically what this is a portable power bank. If you see for the one that we got right here from the Anker brand, and this is a 5 series, which is also called a 535 power bank or the PowerCore 20K. So this is what the package looks like when you guys first get in. Let me actually open up to show you guys what the inside looks like first. Alright, so once you guys do open up, this is what the inside looks like. Let's take everything out. So first thing inside, they do provide guys an instruction manual to teach you guys how to set it up and how to use it. And then right underneath that, we do have everything else. So let's take out the accessories first before we show you guys the power bank. So they do provide guys a small little bag to hold everything inside. And inside the bag, they do provide the cable. If you guys do open up, the cable that's inside is basically a USB-C to USB-C cable that you can use to recharge the product or charge a different device at the same time. So those are all the accessories that is provided for you. Now to show you guys the actual power bank. So if you guys do take it out, if you see the product all needs to wrap up, but we do take out the wrapper. Once you guys do take it out, here is what the product looks like. If you see in this side right here, we do have the Anker name. This side right here, we do have the button for you guys to turn on. So let's do press on it one time. It does turn on. So right now it's half charged. If you see how the 2 or 4 light on. If you see for the color that we do have right here is like a light purple or violet color. And when you guys do feel the material that's on here, it definitely feels pretty nice. Especially when you guys turn the other side and feel this side, it does feel really soft and very smooth. If you guys take a look right here, they do provide guys the specs and feature about the product in terms of input and output. But here is what it looks like for the front. Here is the side. Here is the back. Here is the other side. Here is the bottom. And then here is this side. So you see how there's 2 USB-C option and 1 USB option. And the way how to design the product is actually pretty cool. You do have the option to use all 3 of them as output. And then for these 2 right here, you do have the option to use as input and output, which is pretty awesome. And supposedly for the USB-C option, it does have the PowerIQ technology. And it has the power delivery technology as well to give you guys a fast charging speed when you guys do use it. But they mentioned the max power that's on here is 30 watts when you guys use the product, which is enough power for you guys to recharge like an iPhone, AirPods, iPads, or even for MacBook Air. But if you guys are planning to use it for your MacBook Pro, it will not work because the power that's on here is not enough since it's only 30 watts. And in terms of the battery capacity that's on here is 20,000 mAh, which is enough power for you guys to recharge like a phone around like 4 or 5 times. And like I mentioned, for the one that we got right here is a violet color. They do have it available in many other colors as well. So you definitely want to do your own research to see what you prefer. And when you guys do feel the overall weight of the product, it definitely has a little bit of weight to it since it does have the battery inside. But I do love the design of the product a lot. It actually looks really cool. And it does feel really nice when you guys do hold it, especially for the back part and the side. And obviously for this power bank, it definitely has the protection built in terms of overcharge protection, over voltage protection, and the list goes on. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now let's plug in cable to show you guys how to charge it, and then we'll test it out to show you guys what actually works. So right here I do have my cable. If you guys do plug it in, once you guys do plug it in, eventually it does charge. So like I mentioned right now, it's 50%, so not fully charged yet. Now let's plug in cable to show you guys when actually it works while you got to charge the power bank. So right here I do have another cable from the Anker brand. If you guys do plug it in, if you guys plug in the other side, it doesn't look like it works while you guys are charging the power bank. So let's unplug this cable first. You see it does work. So I guess when you guys are charging the power bank, you guys cannot charge the device at the same time. But you see when you guys use the product, it definitely does work. And if you guys want to plug in all 3 of them at the same time, feel free to do so. So for example, if I do try out USB option, and you see that works as well. And it still charges my phone at the same time. So whether if you guys want to charge your phone, your iPad, your AirPods, or anything else, however you guys want to use it, that is totally up to you guys. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now to come unboxing and test the product. Now to answer the question of whether or not it's worth it or not. So for this product, I do have to say that it's pretty worth it if you guys want to need one of these, especially if you guys are in the market looking for a high quality power bank that has a similar design that's on here with the same output or input and provide you guys 20,000 mAh and also like the similar charge on here in terms of 30 watts with the power delivery option. Then I do have to say that it's pretty worth it. But then obviously for those guys who don't want or don't need one or have one of these, obviously don't buy one and save your money on something else that actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.